Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another live stream. We got Asia session, we got GPP, JPY, looking juicy. I am definitely I'm more on the buy side than on the short side for this market. As you can see, we are trading above all three moving averages. On the 4 hour, let's look at the daily. Same thing, trading above the moving averages. 1 hour, same thing, of course. So let's see what this market gives us. What the fuck is this city? Alright, sorry about that. I was just trying to figure out how we can see. Can you guys hear me very well? Yeah, should be alright. Alright, perfect. You can hear me. Awesome. So yeah, as I was saying, for this particular trade is what we're waiting for is one of these two scenarios. However, I am more biased on the upside, so I wouldn't even put that there because we are trading above all moving averages. And also, if we look at the higher time frame, let's forget about the moving averages for a second. If we look at the daily, you can see we are in a massive uptrend, right? We are in a massive uptrend. So why should we go ahead and sell this market when we literally so bullish? It makes no sense to sell when we're in a bullish market, right? So these are our zones. This is our daily trend line. We're bullish. Then we go down to 4-hour time frame. We are trading at a resistance. You can see right here it was support, and it turned into a resistance again, and now here, is it a resistance or is it breaking? So therefore we have to wait and see what is going to happen in this area, right? So let me make this only on the 4 hours. Do that, boom. 4 hours, boom. So now when we go on the 1 hour, we will not see it. We do have this refined. We have this refined zone from here to here. Boom. There's our zone. So if I go on the 4 hour, you can see we have a zone in a zone. And now we have to literally just wait and see what's going to happen. So if I go to we leave 4 hour open on the left side, and we can do 1 hour and 15 minutes just to see what the candles are doing on smaller time frame, as well as what are they doing on the higher time frame. That's why I really like the split screen. It shows us what's happening on both time frames at the same time. You don't have to keep flicking around. You can just boom, here's the 4 hour. I can see what's happening, and I can even drop it to the 1 hour, since the 4 hour is we still have a few hours left. We have 2 hours for this 4 hour to close. So therefore I just drop it down to the 1 hour and see the next 2 hours, how they're going to form to complete that 4 hour time frame. So we just keep that there and see if we will break above this level, at least up to this level, waiting for break above. I can actually put a text, right? I can put a text here and say waiting for break above. Waiting for break above. Hello? I can't even fucking type. Up above. I can't even type anymore. Waiting for break above. Waiting for break above. There we go. Waiting for break above. Boom. We can leave that there. Go back to see what's happening here. Boom. Even our moving averages are aligned on all time frames. We have daily time frame, moving averages. Look at this, guys. Moving averages, very, very bullish, right? Look at that, easy. We know that it's bullish. 4 hour. Also, the the green and the blue have just and about to cross the 200 moving average. That indicates a strong momentum to the upside. Because if we look to the past, every time the market is above the 200, it's very bullish. Every time it's below, it's very bearish. Boom. And just here, we just broke and we got our retest, and now we're pushing to the upside. So here on the smaller time frame, we are seeing this hectic consolidation. Madness consolidation here. Neither here or there, we're still gonna wait, and Asia session starts at 12 exactly. So right now, Asia has officially started. So I'm gonna keep this there. Boom. Let's go down to 1 hour time frame and see what actually happens, guys. So far, I don't recommend any trades yet. We have to see and wait. So while we wait, please, guys, if you're enjoying the live stream, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, man, let me know if you guys want me to break other pairs for you. What other moving average to be used other than the 200? So here's my 3 moving averages. I have a 20 exponential moving average, which is my green line. Then I have my 50, which is my blue, and then my 200, which is my red. So these are all exponential moving averages. It's just a quick little glimpse of that. Okay, market is bullish. You can see they all crossed here, and boom, retest, boom, retest, boom. And now we're getting a 20 exponential moving average retest. Are we going to fly to the upside? That is the question now. Or are we going to break and go down? So that's what we are waiting for, guys. Yeah. That is what we are waiting for. So in the meantime, guys, please like the stream. I'd really appreciate that. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or any pairs that you'd like me to look at, let me know. Drop your link to your breakdown or your trade that you trade or whatever. I'll have a look, of course. Check it out for you guys. Alright, let's see, what do we have here? BTC, alright. That's very interesting choice. Let's do that for you real quick. I'm just gonna do this 1 second. Just give me 1 second. I'll break this down for you. Alright, boom. And we're gonna go to history. And we're gonna go to buy or sell. Nothing yet, my friend. We're still waiting for a clean break. If that happens, then we're definitely gonna buy. But so far, the market is not very clear. You can see we are trading at a resistance. So you cannot just buy at a resistance. We have to wait for it to break. We have to wait for the momentum to come in and tell us, hey, the market is ready to push up. Get in right now. And that's when we enter, guys. But so far, so far there's really nothing. Yeah. All right, BTC. Yeah, we're gonna break BTC down for you, for my man here, Hamad. We're gonna break down BTC for you, my brother. Just give me 1 second. Just trying to play background music just for the vibes. Let me know if you guys can hear it and if you guys are okay with it. Yeah, BTC. Let's so yeah, this is the here's our analysis. We are very, very bullish on GJ. 4 hour, waiting for a break above this level right here. Just started trading. Bro, you can never go wrong with trading. I mean, just gotta learn the right material. Don't rush it. Enjoy the process. Yeah, man, enjoy the process. Money will come eventually. Just learn the education. BTC USD. Let's break that down. Always, I like to start my analysis on the daily. Weekly sometimes, but weekly is never really something that I look at a lot, just because it's a hit and miss kind of situation. But we got weekly BTC. We're still very bearish. I mean, god damn, where will BTC find support? That is the real question. So we got our little, let me actually put that line there. I'm gonna make a weak magnet. There we go. Alright, now we're gonna place that on the wick right there. So there's our area of which, check hourly please, of which that the market is finding support at. That is the reason why the market is struggling to break this area, is because on the weekly we got resistance here that is now being used as support. Alright, we will get to the hourly, but you first have to know where you are at all times to be able to predict your next trade and your next move. So daily, what do we have on the daily? We got support here, we got resistance here. Boom. You see how I've trapped price in a range? Once you trap price in a range, you'll kind of understand where is it headed to next and which is more likely to happen. So right now, as BTC is looking, it's looking more sells to me than buys, right? Just because it already rejected at resistance and it's coming down. And the next support, personally, I think is going to be around this level here. So this is the next, maybe the median area, the medium area. So there's our BTC analysis. I think huge possibility that the market could come back to the downside, guys, at least to this level. So it'll be 20,400 mark, around that price. Now on the 4 hour, what do we have here? Interesting. We got this zone, right, with this area, right? We got this area that market broke and I'm pretty sure it retested on a smaller time frame. And we have this area right here. So that is 2 areas. Boom. There we have our 2 areas. So guys, pay attention to this 4-hour candle and this retest, right? You see that wick? That was a retest. If we go to 1 hour, boom. Here's your 1 hour. You can see price broke, retested, and then boom, on its way down. Playing around, I do think that BTC will come down to at least this area right here. On daily, did you see the ascending wedge? I do not trade like patterns, just because 90% of the time they don't work. But on the daily, you say, right? Let's have a look together. I don't trade really patterns, so I don't look for them. Daily, and you said it's a ascending wedge. You mean like this? Let me see if I can. If I can draw that down for you. Is that what you're implying? Is this what you're seeing? Is that what you're seeing? Because to me, you see, I broke down your the analysis for you without even looking at patterns, just because this wick here on the smaller time frame, like this little wick here on the smaller time frame, looked like a massive uptrend, right? But obviously, if we go down to 15, right? Look at that. That should you would have thought that shit, momentum have kicked in, right? Momentum have kicked in with this massive bullish candle breaking the wedge. And then look what happened after. Straight after, boom, collapsed and continue to go down. Oh, sorry. Touch the center as well from below. What do you mean, touch the center from below? Oh, you mean like put it this way? I mean, it doesn't really matter, to be honest with you. It doesn't really matter if you put it this way or a little bit above this way. At the end of the day, you don't need patterns. I'm honestly, I'm being super honest with you. You do not need patterns. This shit is so useless. Boom, delete that shit and keep your chart as clean as possible. I have four lines on my screen. 1 resistance, 1 support. I know, because my shit works. I'm telling you, brother, my shit works. So I have 4 lines on my screen, because trading, the easier you make it, the easier it's gonna get. Because when you complicate your eyes and you're looking at so much stuff, you will get lost. But look at my charts right now. Oh, this went up there. Look at my charts right now. 4 lines, 2 supports, 2 resistance, and I know exactly where price is going. I looked at nothing else. Literally nothing else. 2 lines below, 2 lines above, but it takes knowledge, it takes years, it takes a lot of practice. It takes knowing the right person to teach you the right knowledge to get these lines where they need to be, because you can put lines, yeah, but how do you know you literally just placed it in the where it should be and it's supposed to be? So if I go down to the 1 hour, as we are talking, look at this. Price is melting towards the area which I said it's gonna get to. Now we do have this zone on the 1 hour right? This zone right here. We do have this zone that price could, obviously nothing is guaranteed within the market, but we'd make our best to kind of figure out how we can maximize our profits. There is a higher probability that this trade gets to this level, the 20,500 level, than it is to reject and go to the upside. Why? Here's why. Look at how clean this market structure is. We got a high, a low. Oh, this is the wrong tool. It was the path there. We got a high, we got a low, lower high, and we have a lower low, lower high, lower low. Here's our lower high to make a lower low. And let me make that thicker for you guys so you guys can see it. Do you guys see how simple and easy this is? Maybe that's too thick. Let's make it 2. Boom. Right here is your BTC breakdown. Perfect. We are literally right here on this top corner there. You can see how price plays perfectly on this resistance. It breaks, it retests, and it carries on. Now it broke. It could very well much and come back and retest this area as well. I mean, it could possibly have. You can see how it tapped it a few times. You can see how it tapped it here a few times. But yeah, guys, very, very simple. Let me make this more visible. Boom. How's that better? Yeah, should be better, right? Anyway, so this is your BTC. Here's what I'm gonna do though. Here's what I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna put a short thingy here. Boom. Take profit. This level stops just above. Boom. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna place alerts. So 1 above here and 1 below here. And let's see where this will go. Look at this, perfect trade. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually send that to my free Telegram, guys. Link is in the description. If you are trade idea, trade idea. We live on YouTube. Boom. I will do that. Thank you, bro. GTG for Fajrudu. Though I want to stay and watch. GTG for Fajardo. What do you mean by that, brother? But yeah, man, absolutely. Anything. If you guys have any questions, any charts that you'd like me to break down, just let me know, guys. Just honestly, let me know. And please, guys, if you haven't already, like the live stream and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot, and I'm able to help a lot more people. So yeah, guys, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, please do me a favor. US30, yeah, absolutely. A lot of people love US30, so for Fajr prayers, yeah, man. What time it is for you right now? And guys, if you took this BTC trade, you should be in profit right now. And I honestly haven't looked at BTC in a while, and I'm able to just go on there and find a trade. Absolutely incredible. Anyway, how's our GJ doing? Where's our analysis on GJ? Hello? Guys, what? GPP? JPY? Oh, here it is. 4:20 a.m. God damn, bro. Yeah, man. Fajr prayer. I hope it's all. I hope it goes well, brother. And yeah, man. Anyway, somebody asked if we can break down US 30. So let's go and do that real quick. You can see how momentum is kind of coming in now, but we're not. Momentum only kicks in for pound yen really later, like 1 p.m. and so. It's 12:21 a.m. my time, so yeah. That is not US 30, is it? Dow US 30. That is US 30. Yeah. Alright, we got US 30 on the charts. Sure. US 30 has been bearish for quite some time now, hey? God damn. Insane. Anyway, let's break this down real quick. So, I always, guys, start my breakdowns on the weekly time frame, right? I never go to a pair or anything without first identifying my support and resistance on the higher time frame, because that is when you are able to catch the massive bigger moves, right? Boom, my first support that turned into resistance. Look at that, perfectly put. It rejected in this area right here, it tapped into it right here, and it tapped into it right here, and price immediately gave us a bullish engulfing. So that tells me one thing, that this support is holding. And these few weeks, look at this week, it gave us like this morning star. Some people call it the hanging man, some people call it a doji, whatever. This candle right here tells me that, hey, and that is a weekly candle. This candle tells me that bullish momentum may kick in, but we have to wait and see, obviously, because the market can give you like a trade, a candle pattern, but fails sometimes. So you have to wait and see for momentum to come in. So weekly established. My next weekly would be around here. Yeah, I feel like here or here. I feel like this one is more relevant, just because price tapped into it once here, rejected it here, and it broke, retested it here, and broke down. Cool. Now we have a weekly range. Now once you have a weekly range, go down to the daily. We have the daily here. Now on the daily, we're going to identify support and resistance. And to do that, grab your horizontal ray right here. A blind person can see this. It's clear as day. Here's our first support / resistance line, just because price is now consolidating at this price. You see how breaking, coming through, and now it's breaking. Will it come back again or not? We have to wait and see. In this game, patience pays. We literally make money by waiting and then executing in the right time. Lovely stuff. Daily, there's our first, let's make a zone. There's my second zone, my second area, that if price rejects this line, it's most definitely gonna get to this line, just because there's a lot of orders that they could possibly bring price down to here to then break the resistance. So we have our daily range and weekly range. Once we have that, we go back to 4-hour time frame. Boom. Now, what do we have here? Now, always remember, history repeats itself. If price on the 4-hour broke here, but then it was very choppy in week, came back down. Price breaks above the resistance, gives us weak small candles, comes back down. Here, price, look how big this candle and this candle and then compare to this candle now, and then this one, they're getting smaller and smaller. That indicates that, hey, momentum is losing. There is not many buyers here as there were down here. Therefore, this is very dangerous now. We need to see a clean break, right? Which, if this candle, the current 4-hour candle, closes bullish, that is a clean break in my opinion. But I do not enter yet. I wait for a retest and then a rejection of the retest to tell me that, hey, this support is holding, it's not going anywhere. Then I can take a buy. But until then, I'm not doing nothing. And in fact, if anything, there is more probability, there is more possibility that US30 could drop. That the probability of US30 dropping is higher than it is to go up. But we have rejected a weekly support. You have to keep that in mind. So price could easily break, retest, and then fly to the upside, which will be the next daily zone. Actually, first we have to make our 4-hour zones, which we got one here. We have one here. Price will most definitely get to here. So if price breaks, retest, holds support, it will get up to here. Boom. Look at that. And it's rejecting the 200 moving average. Therefore, that even gives me more confluence to that maybe this will drop and not actually break. So we have to wait to see tomorrow. No, actually, are we on Monday? Yeah, we're Monday. Tomorrow, 2 p.m. my time, which is New York time, 9 a.m. when the market open, because that's when the US30 moves. So yeah, I hope that was clear, man. I hope this was a very simple breakdown. I hope I didn't make anything complicated, because I tried to keep it as simple as possible. I mean, if you look at my chart, I literally have 3 lines on my chart, just because I like to see what the candles are doing. I like to see what candles are doing, because price action doesn't lie. Women lie, men lie, numbers, candlesticks don't. What do you use 3 moving averages? These are exponential moving averages. Just a 20, which is my blue, 20 my blue, and then we have a 50, which is my green, and then the 200 my red. So it's very simple, to be honest. It makes just, sometimes I put it on just for an extra confluence, because I told you before I even put the indicators on that there is a more probability that market could drop down than it is to go up. And then I put my indicators, my moving averages on, and now it's rejecting the 200. So there's a higher probability now. It's just giving me an extra confluence. Because if we look to the past, right? If you look to the past right here, price rejected the 200 moving average and then dropped. Price came back up again, rejected the moving average again right here, and then dropped. Now here, will it reject or will it break? It's a waiting and patient game, guys. Very, very simple. Every time the price action is trading below the moving averages, we are looking to sell. Every time price is trading above moving averages, we are looking to buy. Let me find, price has been very bearish lately, but yeah, every time price is above moving averages, look at this, we're looking to buy. And then when it's below, we're looking to sell. Very, very simple, guys. But again, I don't solely trade based off that. I just add it as an extra confluence, but this is how I like to look at my charts. Very clean, very simple. I know where I am. I know where my next target is. And yeah, very, very simple. I want to actually see what happened to our BTC trade. BTC USD. No, that is not our charts. We went to, what was it, Binance? Yes. Oh my god, no ways. Bro, you can't make this shit up, bro. You can't fucking make this shit up. Stop fucking playing with me. Turn me up. Guys, please, like the video, like the live, subscribe, share it. This is insane. if you took this trade, if you just play this live stream 10 minutes before, you would see how I broke this down from nothing. Clean charts, clean charts. And to be honest, I haven't looked at BTC in a while, bro. Holy fuck. And I sent it to the group. Hold on. Where's my, there we go. Boom. Guys, if you're not in the Telegram, guys, make sure to join. It's free. This is a free Telegram group. This is the trade before. This is the trade when I sent it, and this is it now. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, links is down below in the description. If you are interested in the mentor, join the Discord where you can trade with me live. You get all the signals, all the trades, breakdowns, live streams, psychology, everything you need to know. It's in the Discord. And if you want, just join the free Telegram. I want to join your Telegram, where the link in the description. Go down below, click on more, and then you see join the Discord and join my free Telegram, guys. It's in the description down below. But let me actually update the Telegram. Boom. Let's fucking go. Turn me up. Turn me up. Boom. No problem, my brother. No problem. We're not fucking playing, bro. We're not playing. We do not fucking play, boys. We do not play. Guys, please, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. I really appreciate that. All right, now our hypothetically trade is playing very, very fucking well. Let me know, guys, if you guys want to see another breakdown of any pair that you trade, whichever pair that you trade, and you'd like to have my personal opinion in my eyes to have a look at it. Just send me the pair. I'll break it down for you, and if it matches your analysis, you are good and you will make profit. Oh gosh, it's dropping. This thing is melting, bro. Holy. That was kind of nuts, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, no fucking way. Bro, you can't make this shit up, man. Jesus, bro. Yeah, GJ is still playing games. Nothing has happened yet. It's still playing within that zone. So if we just go to GJ, GBP, JPY, boom. Yeah, it's still playing in this zone. So there is not much we can do right now but to actually wait and see, guys. But in the meantime, I mean, we just took a banger on BTC, bro. Crazy trade within seconds, bro. Absolutely beautiful here. Beautiful trade. Let's go. In 30 minutes exactly, we will see a lot of momentum coming into the market, especially for pound yen. BTC USD is playing very well right now, dropping. Binance, there we go. This is the trade, guys, so far. Absolutely bang of a trade. Bro, I'm just trying to give back, man. Like, I'm not. This is insane. I hope you all capitalized on this trade and made some profit. You can't make this shit up, bro. Patience pays, bro. Again, any pair you guys would like me to break down, just let me know down below in the comment section, and I will do so. Any other pair you'd like me to break down, let me know and I will do so. Fucking back is broken. Bro, believe it or not, I lost a cat today. You see, I have 4 cats. And their mother. She gave birth to 4 cats, but then today we've lost one. We literally don't know where it is or where it went. We looked everywhere for it, and that kitten just disappeared, bro. I don't know where it is. We've been looking for it everywhere, and we can't find it. Hope it's okay though. Yeah, we are talking about cats. Come on, just hit TP already. Hit TP already. What's good, bro? What's good? What's going on, brother? Have you seen BTC, bro? Have you seen this shit? This shit dropped straight after we broke it down. And I told you that's exactly where it'll probably go. And my entry, my stop loss, everything. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. Means a lot, brother. Means a lot. Loads and loads of practice and sacrificing time, effort. Yeah, man, it takes a lot, you know. You gotta sacrifice the little things that you enjoy doing for hours and hours behind a computer screen on the charts. It's just crazy, man. And psychology, bro. Psychology starts fucking with you, especially if you like been trading for a while and you're not profitable, and you like a person starts thinking like, is this really what I want to do? Like, why am I losing? I could have been doing something else. I could have still had that money, blah blah blah. Nah, man, you gotta stay focused. You gotta stay focused. That's why they say, if you don't really love it, like from the bottom of your heart, you're gonna waste time. You know, you're gonna waste your time, and eventually you're gonna quit because you don't really love it. And when you start trading and you're not profitable, you're gonna think, is this really for me? So always make sure you actually enjoy the journey, because I know it's boring. Like, here's what I do personally, and it just helped me a lot, right? I'm a gamer as well. Like, I game a lot, right? So I have my charts open, and instead of me staring at the charts and taking emotional decisions and taking and over trading for the wrong reasons, taking trade for the wrong reasons, I just game. And I have my charts and alerts open next to me, and yeah, gaming just keeps me busy, and you know, and I'm still around the charts to see what is happening, so that if an opportunity presents itself, I'm right there and ready to take it. So that is something really helped me, because obviously when you're a trader and that's your full-time job, sometimes there isn't a trade, and some days you can't just enter because you want to enter. Sometimes the market is not giving you a clean trade, therefore I'm not gonna trade that day. So imagine you're a trader, you're a full-time trader, but you couldn't find a trade, and what do? You just start fucking around. So I just spend my time gaming and, you know, making content, going live, helping people. Yeah, man, if you guys enjoy these live streams, let me know. I will continue to do them, and I'm actually thinking of doing like London session live streams and New York live streams. What do you guys think? Should I be doing that, or should I just stay to Asia session? Just because lately, like personally lately, I've been banging trades during Asia session. I don't know why, but I swear lately Asia session's been smooth. It really has been smooth lately. So if you guys are like, will it be better for you guys to watch during London time, like London session? Or so yeah, I should be doing that. Hey, I'm gonna start doing that. I actually just ordered myself a streaming PC, so the streams will be better. You'll have a live camera live of me sitting on your screens and trading with you guys live. But that is happening really soon. So stay tuned for that, guys. Stay tuned, and then London, New York live streams will be coming in. Trust me, and a lot of value, and yeah. So talk to me, guys. How long have you guys personally been trading, and are you profitable yet? Like, what is your strongest points? What is your weakest points? What are you really struggling with? And what is the things that you would love to get better at and get stronger at, you know? Talk to me, guys. Talk to me. What's up? Are you new to trading? How come you came across trading in general? Eight months, still learning. I remember when I was 8 months in, bro. So I had a full-time job, right? Let's say 9 to 6, full-time job. I'd be gone from 9 till 6 at my full-time job. Then I'll get home, eat dinner, and then boom, I'm on the charts. I'm studying. Blown my account 4 times. Hey man, I've blown my account fucking 16 times. So, but that's fine, because that is just part of the journey, and trust me, it will get better. And I'm gonna give you guys a few tips that really helped me to while I was learning. These tips while I was learning really helped me to kind of not blow my account and to keep myself in check. So, full-time job, right? 9 to 6, working, come home, now trading on a demo. Yeah, man. No, listen, demo is not a bad thing. You can trade demo to actually get you 2 years, but only yesterday Nas. Damn, bro. So let me just get my point across first, and then so yeah, full-time job, right? 9 to 6, then get home, and I'm on my computer studying all the courses that I have, and all the videos and YouTube videos, all the free online education, all the paid education, all the gurus, mentors, all the courses. I bought so many courses. I've watched so many free YouTube videos, and I learned that is not how it is. Like, you learning everything from everyone, and it's so wrong. You need to find, like, obviously it's not wrong, but like, you go through it all is not wrong, but you can't have his strategy plus smart money's concept strategy plus the price action strategy and put it all together and trade them all, because smart money would tell you, oh my god, look, there's an order block, I'm gonna buy, but then price action is telling you it's going down, sell, and then this strategy is telling you it's consolidating. So what I recommend is find a strategy that you personally like, right? Let's say when you look at my chart, be like, damn, I really like how his charts look and how the way he trades, because he makes it so simple and super easy. I like it. I like this. I can deal with this. I can look at this 24 hours every day and not be, what the hell's going on? I can look at this and know exactly what I'm doing. Boom. There is the one thing that you need to find first. Then study the hell out of that strategy. And then while you're learning, you will start tweaking stuff. You're going to be like, okay, this is perfect, but I would like to add this. Boom. You add your moving averages. Now, okay, I know it's going down, right? Eventually it's going to get to this point down here. But why is it struggling to go down super quickly? Is because it's rejecting the 200 moving averages, right? Boom, you take it out. It's copying your talk. Yeah, it's, bro, you're gonna, yeah, trust me, you're gonna love it. So once you find the strategy that you like and that you can actually trade, then boom, study the hell out of it. And then once you do that, and while you're studying, you can do a lot of backtesting. Really recommend that. You do that, then you're like, okay, every time I do this happens, therefore I'm gonna add this. Okay, shit, every time I do this, I have to wait for this candle. This candle happens so often that if I take a trade after, I'll be more profitable. And then you just build. You basically create a foundation, and then you build on top of that. And it's gonna accelerate your trading from 0 to 100 real quick, brother. I'm telling you. So yeah, once you find someone that you really like, and that you really like the way they trade and how simple and easy they make it, and if you understand, like, some people like indicators, that's fair, that's what you like. Find what works for you, and if it's working for you, by all means, go for it. There is nothing wrong in trading, really. A lot of people be like, yeah, oh my god, you're a retail you trade retail? We are like the banks, we trade like smart money. I'm like, shut the fuck up, bro. Like, if you're profitable trading smart money concept, cool. I'm happy for you. I'm profitable trading the way I'm trading. Why do you have to like bash my trading style? to make yourself feel better. Because if you're profitable, you're not gonna go around and telling people how their strategy doesn't work and I must only be trading smart money. Like, that shit pisses me off. Because all strategies works, but you just need to find your specific one that works that works with your brain. We're all different, right? We're all different. Anyway, yeah, man. So I spent my 9 to 6 my full-time job, and then from 6 to like 12 on the computer studying, and then once I started making enough money from trading to replace my full-time job, then I was like, that's it. I quit my job, and then boom, full-time trading. I took trading, then I started, and it's been lovely, man. Killian, bro, absolute 8 months, still learning. Enjoy the journey, man. Honestly, enjoy the journey. Keep blowing accounts. It doesn't matter. It will all pay off in the end. But of course, the one thing I recommend, if you have blown your accounts, whatever your leverage is, please bring it down. Please bring it down. Because what I personally have gone through is, when I have more leverage, I tend to over leverage, right? If my broker is offering 1 to 500, I will use it, right? And then so I can make a lot more money. But you forget that if you have more leverage and you're leveraging more, that is more likely that you lose a lot of money because you're not profitable yet. So I use 1 to 50. Yeah, that's fine. So I used to use 1 to 500 back in the day when I first started. Maximum leverage? No, never maximum leverage, never. So when I first started trading, I used to use 1 to 500, and I would always like over leverage and over risk and put my account in so much under so much pressure just because I'm over risking. But then I would blow my accounts. Then I was like, okay, hold up. Risk management is key. I would use proper risk management, but with proper leverage. And then I went and changed that. I went to my broker, I went on the website, I went to my account, and I changed the leverage 1 to 100. And from that day, I never blew an account, ever again. Never blew an account, because I figured that if my leverage is down, even if my mind slips and it's the perfect setup and I'm gonna make so much money of it, and I just want to enter with a lot of, the leverage will kind of stop you, because when you have 1 to 500 leverage, you will like put a lot of stress on your account, because if that shit goes against you, your account is gone. So the lower your leverage is, the better. And always never ever never risk more than 1 to I don't even want to say 2, because I personally don't like to risk more than 1%. A lot of people, other people may say, no, like I like to risk 2% and 3%. Yeah, that's fine. But remember, I'm always thinking, what will happen if I lose? Will I be hurt? And if I'm risking 1%, I don't give a fuck about the trade. Therefore, I'm not taking trades based on emotions, right? Cool. It's 1% of my account. It won't even make me flinch over it. I would still sleep good at night, right? But when you're trading 2-3%, and then you get in a can we copy your trades, including your commissions? You can't copy my trades, but you if you join the Discord, right? The link is down below in the description. If you join the Discord, that's where I send my group, where I'm like, okay, here's what I'm trading. I send my breakdowns, right? Every Sunday breakdowns. We get a Zoom call, and then I send all the trades that I'm taking. So let's say I see this beautiful trade. Boom, look what I did here. Guys, trade idea, BTC, blah, blah, blah. Boom, the next, but I did it for the free Telegram group. This is my free Telegram group. Free Telegram group. But I have my private Discord, is where I'm taking every single trade live with the people inside inside the Discord, because obviously they, you know, it's a one-time payment. They never pay again, just to enter, just to avoid all the scammers and all the people that you know, can join Discord, and it's only for serious people only. That's why I made it a one-time payment. And anyway, so yeah, that's how you can trade with me, and I'll take you through leverage and risk and everything else. So yeah, that's why you should always only risk 1%, so that you can have a fucking losing streak for all I care. You'll never you'll never lose 100 trades in a row. That's just impossible, unless you really trying to lose intentionally. But of course, nobody's trying to do that. So to win 100 trades and blow your account is almost impossible. That's why I always risk 1%. Always 1%, and 1 to 100. 1 to 100. For me personally, I like 1 to 100. I see her PGP 123 is 1 to 50, which is also great. Not so much. Yeah, no, guys. If you have low leverage and you're risking 1% per trade, and you are being patient, and you are you having a clean charts, so you understand what's happening in front of you, and not just looking at indicators, because indicators are laggy, they are behind, and you will always be a step behind compared to someone like me who looks at price action. I'm always with the charts. Look at that BTC chart. I know, bro, this was just a banger, bro. Like, literally, what a fucking banger of a trade, man. Absolutely great, man. How much minimum equity should I start with after joining your Discord? That is entirely up to you. But personally, what I think you should do is, why risk and put your money at risk when you have what do you call them, these funding companies, right? Like, we are so lucky in today's age that we have funding companies, because back in the day they did not exist, and people had to fucking work and make a lot of money to deposit into their account to make a lot of money when they are making 5 to 10% a month. Now all you need is $200-300, $400, $500, and you can buy $100,000 and $200,000 accounts. And imagine making 10% a month on a $100,000 account. That is $10,000. So if you're making $10,000 a month right now, I don't know what are you doing, but if you're not, then there's your option. You literally can pay $300-400 and buy the challenge. Obviously, you have to be profitable to pass it, but yeah, if you don't want to do that and you want to trade with your own capital, that is fair, 100%. You should do that, but yeah, you must also start trading with money you can afford to lose. So don't ever put all your money in a trading account. That shit is stupid. I do not recommend that. Just deposit money and think that if you lose this money, it's okay. It's not gonna affect your life at all, and that alone will remove so much pressure from you. Because then if you have a lot of money in your trading account that you actually care about, and you need that money in real life, and you're gonna think, I need to make money, you put yourself under so much pressure, and then you end up making wrong decisions, you end up making emotional decisions, and you end up making emotional trades and stuff like that. So yeah, how much minimum? There is no minimum. You can trade with money you can afford to lose. It could be 100, it could be 200, it could be 10, it could be $20. It's entirely up to you. But obviously, the smaller the amount is, it's always harder, because when you're risking 1%, but you have a $100 account, and it's $1. You're gonna lose $1, but you're gonna make $2-3 a trade, because it's a 1 to 3, 1 to 4. This trade was a 1 to 3. Perfect. You risked $1 and you're going to make $3 on $100 account. Now imagine this was $100,000 account. You will be risking 1,000, but you will make $4,000 and $3,000. See the difference? Yeah, man, I appreciate that. Appreciate that. Come on, pull up, join, and it's all there. It's all value, man. It's all value. And there's nothing to hide. I'm doing it live in front of viewers. I'm not making this shit up. I literally called this trade live. So just imagine what goes behind the scenes. It's always good to have a mentor, man. You can talk to, because how many of you have family members that really understands trading? I mean, not personally, not me, because I can't just go to my family and be like, bullish. I mean, GJ's been consolidating, and today I lost my trade. Like, they're gonna be like, what the fuck are you talking about? But when you have a mentor and you're in a community, and that's why I'm trying to grow a community on Discord. I'm trying to have serious traders only, where you're in there, you can talk to me, talk to other traders. Exactly. So that's why I created my Discord, is to have a community full of traders that are serious, and you can talk to me, talk to other traders that understand what you're talking about. Yeah, that's just what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to, provide value and help as many people as possible. There is a possibility for a re-entry, guys. So we have an area here or an area here. So yeah, I'll just leave that there. Very, very simple. Possible retest of that zone, and then probably a continuation, but we'll see. We will see. Oh, my cat is trying to find that other cat. Hold on, guys. I'm back. What's good? Fucking TJ still playing games, bro. It looks like GJ is actually rejecting the area. Why? Yeah, look at that. That is very choppy, hey? Like, I would never trade in this shit. Like, what the hell is this? But when you have something so clean like this, bang, 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 and then you just take it to the upside, and now it's just like small, tiny candles consolidating. It's not really doing much.
let's see here, guys. Any other trade you'd like me to break down or whatever? Just let me know, and we will do so. Gold, gold, gold. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful choice. I will break that down now. Just give me 2 seconds. Boom. I see stuff. I see stuff. I'm trying to understand. GJ here, quick. See what's happening. So we have a resistance there. We got a resistance there. I'm gonna remove these because it's not relevant right now. Delete, delete, and delete. Got my arrow. So we have this resistance. That's why price is kind of struggling to break above. We also have one shred above it, which is up here. Boom, boom. And then the third one that price could possibly trade to is above here. So there's our 3 possible outcomes for the upside, and then let's put one for the downside. So we do have this area here. We also have this low right here. Boom. And then we go down to 1 hour. There's where price is at right now. Playing games. Yeah, I don't know why I like lines better than zones, just because it's kind of more clear for me to see with my eyes. You can argue this area right here is a zone that price has broke and now retesting. However, on the higher time frame, it's really not the case. On the higher time frame, we have a bigger zone, which is right here. This whole zone here needs to be broken, and candlesticks are not showing momentum. You can see how tiny they are, you know, compared to candles full like this and this one. Tiny candles here. All right, gold you said, yeah? Let's break that down. XAU USD. Gold Rwanda. All right, again, how does one identify zones correctly? You just have to look at price action. So if, let's say I have a zone, here's how I identify one, right? Let's talk about this. I'm gonna draw this real quickly. Hold on. Boom. So the first thing, you look at the charts, right? You look at the chart, and you look at price stopped. You see the swing high, swing low, swing high, swing high here. So you see where price is stopped at, and then you grab your area, and then you put the first end on the wick. So the first end on the wick, the second end is on the body, and then you drag, right? Boom. First end on the wick, the second end on the body, and then you drag across, and look at this. We have a zone. Boom. So you could have marked this from previous on the weekly and say this is a weekly zone. Price broke, price came back, retested the zone, gave you a bearish engulfing, and you could have took a massive sell to the downside. That's how I identified a zone. You can identify another zone. Let's identify another zone. We have another zone here. Wick, body, drag across. Boom. There's another zone. Same thing. Price broke, came back, retest, went above, but it failed. It failed above here to make a higher high. It made a lower high. And then price broke. Boom. Melted. So there's another zone right there. That's how you identify zones. From wick to body, and then you drag across. The zone must make sense. You must see prices stopping at, rejecting from, or bouncing off if it's a support. That is my zone outlook. Delete that. And then my weekly, I like to use horizontal ray. You can argue one here, but I'm going to put one actually. Boom. Okay, this one here is for sure. This is a weekly level for sure. Look at that, perfect. Okay. Next one is, so you can put one here actually. Yeah, there we go. Because you can see how price went boom, tapped, boom, tapped, boom, broke through. Therefore, it's very valid. And I found these zones from wick to wick. And then we have the third one, which is below, which is down here. Boom. Price stopped, rejected, and bounced from multiple times. Very a huge possibility that the market could even go lower for gold. So yeah, because market is very bearish. So why go against the trend? If the market is telling you to sell, why buy? Simple, right? Then I go down to the daily. The daily is very simple. Boom, boom, and there we go. One there. I'm just trying to see if anything is valid. Alright. Boom. We got one here. This one could possibly, we'll see. Yeah, it looks kind of valid to me. Yeah, price rejecting it here. Okay, there's we go. We have our dailies. Straight to 4 hour. What do we have on the 4 hour? Boom. I use my arrow. Boom, boom. Right there. Beautiful resistance. Price failed to break multiple times. I have another zone right here. Sorry. Right there. Bang. And you place it. There's my 4 hour. One below, one above. Easy peasy. Then on the daily, on the hourly, I don't usually place anything on the hourly. I just look at what price is doing. You can argue a zone right here, so you can place one here, right there. There is a zone. You can do this if you want. You can do this if you want. See, boom, boom. Very, very simple. So for gold right now, Personally, I'm not gonna trade it. Why? Because it's in the middle. You can see how it's in the middle of nowhere, right? It's in the middle of nowhere. You can't argue on here actually. Now that I'm looking at the 4 hour again, you can't argue one here. You can even argue one there too. But these are below, and you know they're really far away. Therefore, I'm not gonna emphasize much on them. But you can see how this second line is very valid, and it rejected, right? It rejected. Now price is pulling back. Will it stop in this zone, and then buy and go to the next one, or will it break and continue its bearish momentum? Therefore, we have a few outlooks. We have one here coming back down, then going up to this zone. That is one outlook. The next one would be like this. Break, right? Break, retest, and then continue to the daily, if not the 4 hour. Something like this. Oh. That is my gold outlook, and I think is now a patient game, just because it's in the middle of nowhere, and gold is very spiky, and you can't just predict where it's going very easily. I mean, this is very clean. You can see how price gave us a doji, boom, mad bearish engulfing on the 15-minute time frame. However, it did give us that, but we are trading very close to a support zone. So would you want to take a sell next to a support? It doesn't make sense, right? I'd rather wait. I'd rather wait for a break, a clean retest, and then possibly see, basically wait for the market to tell you what it wants to do. That's just my, yeah. But I hope that was clean, guys. I hope that was very simple, clean to understand. If it was, let me know. Drop a one in the chat. Please drop a one in the chat. And if you guys think that was very simple and clean, and everyone got the idea, because I think I was very trying to make it as simple as I possibly can. And if you guys are appreciating this and you guys are enjoying this, please remember to leave a like on the live stream. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But this is our gold outlook. This is our gold outlook. To be honest with you, if I caught this gold when it was around this doji, straight after the doji, you could have entered a sell. And you could have been in profits right now and took your first profit at this zone. So you can refine the zone like this. Boom. Boom. There we go. You can refine it. So yeah. That is gold. And let's see what's happening with BTC. Look at that. Rejecting the zone. Rejecting our zone. I came across an article which suggested that by deck US oil will drop to around $60. Can you please check the technical analysis? Yes, of course, absolutely. Let's do that. Oil, USD, right? So you think oil will drop to 60? So round here? God damn. All right, I see here we got support, and we got support. Analysis said, I see what you're saying. We got another one here. We got one day, daily. Got one there, and we got one there and one here, but I'm going to use this one because price respected that one. Alright, well, looks like oil is at a support, retesting a resistance. Therefore, from a day trader, not a swing trader, from a day trader point of view, which is 4 hour, daily 4 hour and lower, I would definitely say that we do not need to know that far ahead, you know, just because I can literally trap price into this area and be like, all right, in the next few minutes, price could get to here, and I can just walk away, take my profits, and leave. So, and if it continues to go down, cool, I'll continue to sell it. But yeah, I mean, that is a very, very long swing for oil to get down to 60. I don't know if it'll happen. I think that if it does happen, it's gonna take weeks to get there, if not months. But yeah, it can't just drop 1,000,000 points. That is just, it can't do that. So there's where price is at right now. It's at a 4 hour support. The 4 hour candle is still on, and it's actually just started. So 3, and then the 1 hour is still going. So I'm gonna have to wait for a few hours to see how price reacts. They said December. Yeah, like I said, a few weeks, a few months. So yeah, so price is now at a 4 hour support. So I'm gonna have to wait a few hours to see how the candles on the 1 hour behave, and then once we get a new 4 hour candle, I'm gonna have to see how that one behaves too, and then from there, if anything, if this support holds and respects, we could very well see a beautiful buy opportunity to here easily, very, very well. And if it breaks, it can also very easily obviously break, boom, retest, boom, continuation. That's another outcome. There we have our oil trade breakdown, guys. Check your analysis. Check what your charts is looking like. If it's very similar, and you're good. Let's see our you can see how in every pair I always put my moving averages last thing. I always know exactly where I'm going, what I'm doing, but I just put it on for confluence only. So on the daily, thank you, bro. No, anytime, brother, anytime. Always here to help. Alright, you see how this is very interesting right here. This is super interesting. Alright, watch this. Watch this, guys. This is very interesting. Boom. We got a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Is this a lower high? Remember I said we could possibly see a push to the upside. Boom. To then maybe boom. Something like that. If the bear market continues. That is one thing. Another thing is on the daily, price has just broke the 200 moving average. That indicates a strong possibility for sells, right? Could very well happen. So that just gave me, that just also what you said about the fundamentals, it just gave it a higher probability that, yeah, it could happen maybe by December. You're right. All the technicals are supporting it, and the fundamentals are saying that. So I don't see why that cannot happen. We just gotta be ready for it, and take sales and make money of that. My 4-hour is now also playing out. We could possibly see a rejection of the 20 up to the 50 to then continue, maybe something like that. 1 hour, yeah. So on the 1 hour, what would happen is rejection, pull back to the 200 for a continuation. That just makes a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Again, patience is key in the market. We have to wait and see. Look where price opened. God damn. And this gap would probably needs to be filled. So now there's a higher probability that market could even pull up and fill that gap. But that is oil. So here's what I'm gonna do actually. I wanna pin scale line settings. I want to make a list of all the trades that we broke down to kind of keep them in check. Let's make a new and name it YouTube. Create, add symbol. We have BTC. Remember our trade, guys. Here's our trade. Still playing, still going. Here's your second re-entry. Playing out. Price is retesting that zone. Price gave us a doji, a reversal pattern. Perfect time to enter. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put another short position right here. Boom. I'm going to now put my stops right here. Right? And then the first position, I'd probably move stops to break even. Now we have a risk-free trade. And basically what I did is now I removed 1% of my risk. No, my risk is still 1%, but my profit is now, instead of 3, it's now 3 plus 4, that is 5, 6, that is 8. Because here we have 1 to 3, it was, so we risked 1% to make 3, and then we have 4, therefore that makes 7. So yeah, my risk is now 1%, but my reward is now 7, because the second position is giving us a 1 to 4. The first position is giving us 1 to 3. Just bangers, bro. Bangers. Yeah, so we added BTC. Then we also made oil, USD. Was it this one? Yeah, it was this one. So we have oil USD. We also have US 30. US 30. Was it this one? Nah, I don't think it was. Remove 30. Yeah, there it is. There it is. All right, so we have BTC, oil, US 30, and pound yen. Yeah, of course, of course. BTC is pulling back for a perfect re-entry. We even added that. GBP, JPY, boom. Pound yen looks like it's rejecting and coming back down. We could possibly see a support holding from this point, just because market is obviously bullish. So we could possibly see something like this, maybe. We'll see, but I like to be reasonable. I'm going to delete this zone just because it's too much for me, for my liking. I like my charts clean. From 2, that's it. So market could easily come back down to this area and then pull up. 4 hour, yeah, we have it right there. Daily, we have it right here. $164 to 11. Interesting. Give me a second, guys. Let me check something out here. Oh. Bang. 7, 4 hour. You see how now we have a daily and a 4 hour next to each other. That just gives me an extra confluence. That makes the support even stronger, which makes it even more valid. We even have another one right here. I can even put one right here. We have 3 supports. Bang. Something like that. But I'm going to keep the one at the bottom. Yeah, I'm keeping the one at the bottom. Just because it's the most recent one. And this one has been used. So that's why I always like to use the last recent one. Yeah. So that is for pound yen. Still waiting. Nothing's going to happen yet. We're getting a pullback. We're going to wait for candles to give us an indication of, hey, support is holding. Let's buy. Then we'll jump in. US 30, obviously, market will not move. Oh, why do I have this US 30? Oh, BTC, pullback. Then we have oil, which is going down now. US 30, boom, broke through. It could possibly come back down. So, yeah. Pound yen coming back down. Very, very choppy. And still we understand where we need to buy from and where we need to sell from. What's happening to BTC? Are we still on? Oh yeah, we're still on. Just getting a pullback, boys. Nothing more. Oh, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty dropping. So if this candle closes like a very good, strong bullish engulfing, then that should be something good to hold. And yeah, then our analysis is literally on point. So here's all the trades that you guys has asked me to break down. If you have any other specific trade or pair that you'd like me to break down for you and give you my point of view on it, just drop them in the chats. Let me know, guys, and I'll break that down for you. I broke this down for somebody, and look at us now, making 7%, risking only 1%. So yeah, this was just beautiful, man. This was just beautiful. Caught live on YouTube. You can't fake this shit up, man. You can't make this shit up. So what is your favorite pair, and what pair you'd like me to break down? Let me know in the chat. Because I'm only staying for another 30 minutes. Just because it's like almost 2 a.m. for me, and I have to wake up at 7 probably. Yeah, for London. I have to wake up for 7 for London. That's just the beauty of being a full-time trader is you stay up for Asia session, then you get 3-4 hours sleep then so you have to wake up for fucking London session. Pound GBP USD. Yeah, absolutely, man, absolutely. But look how beautiful this is, dropping like crazy. Perfect entry. Everything is just simple, guys. If you make it simple, it will be simple. I will go to sleep. Let me just break down GBP USD for you, my brother, and we should be good. GBP USD. Let's break that down for our brother here. We have broke down gold, brother. Just what you have we broke down gold? Didn't we break down gold? XAU USD. We have broken down gold. Yeah. We did it. We did break down gold. So whoever asked for gold, yeah, we did. So if you just joined and you'd like to watch the gold breakdown, please just scroll back on the live stream, find where gold is, and we literally broke it down, and I gave a 2 outcome and 2 possibility for this specific trade pair. So Trini Zone, please go back in the live, back in time, and just look at gold. We broke that down and made it very, very simple and easy for you guys to understand where it could possibly head to. Now, with that being said, we need to break down. Thanks, cool. Yeah, no problem, my brother. No problem. Let's break down pound dollar. God damn, this pair has been bleeding, bro. All right. Again, always we start our analysis on the weekly horizontal ray. We got a zone here, right? We got a zone there. We got a support there. We also have one here, right? So now we have a zone that is pound yen is trading at. Now we have one above and one below. Therefore, we do not need any more. We just drop down to the daily. We need more data now. We identified what's happening on the higher time frame. So let's identify what's happening on this smaller time frame, such as daily. Daily, we got horizontal ray. Okay, here's what I see. I see one support here. I see one resistance here. Boom, I've trapped price. If you get confused sometimes of where will the market go, where is it heading, trap price. Put it in a zone. Put it between from two. And just now, I identified one support and one resistance in between price. Then once you do that, you drop down to 4-hour time frame because now we need more data. And look at that. From the daily, just by putting the horizontal ray there, dropping down to the 4-hour, look how perfect price has tapped into that and rejected. Therefore, that tells me that, hey, my analysis and where my horizontal ray is, where my resistance is actually in the right place. Because when you put a line and price action is not really agreeing with where your line is, because it's off and it's rejecting below it, it's rejecting above it, then you just have to reanalyze and be careful and where you put your lines and zones. Because we will be able, because we take trades based of these zones and lines. So if they're wrong, then you're going to probably be... Hello, are we good? Oh, we're back, we're live. All right, so so what I was saying is, when you analyze, please make sure you analyze correctly and put your lines and zones in the right places, because that's the zones and lines where you're going to be taking trades from and to. And if they're off and wrong, you'll probably lose a trade because of that. So we do not want that. Therefore, we identified our daily support and resistance. So now we go down to 4-hour, and I use my line. We have one here that price could possibly travel to, and we have one here that price could possibly drop to. Boom. That's all I need. Because why? Because that is relevant. I don't care about down here. I don't care above here. I'll care about that when we get to it. But right now, we're not there. So I'm not going to care about, I'm not going to go analyze price here and put lines, supports, and resistance. No, price is not here. Price is down here. So that's where I'm going to analyze to keep it very simple and not confuse myself. Therefore, there is pound yen. Now we can go down to 1-hour time frame. Wow. Bro, I can't make this shit up, man. Look how perfect that rejected. That candle almost closed perfectly on that line. And mind you, I don't even trade this pair. I've just did that for you from scratch. So that just tells me my analysis is on point. So all I have to do now is get my mind on point to be profitable. And that is why I created my Discord, and the community we have is insane, because you are able to talk to me. I understand, because I've been there and I've been through it. And I'm trying to create the biggest trading community in the world. That's my goal is. My goal is to help as many people as I can, and to show them the way and the real way to trade. So, link is in the description if any of you are interested. It's a one-time fee, just so I can avoid all the scammers and all the people that are not serious. I'm looking for serious traders only to be trading live with me, talking to me on a day-to-day basis, jumping on live, getting signals. Everything is included, and it's lifetime. So, down below in the description if you are interested. So this is pound yen. Now, personally, because this is a London/New York pair, I wouldn't trade it right now. But most probably tomorrow, it's probably gonna be here. It's probably gonna be around there. Probably gonna get to there, and then maybe if the price continue to rally, we will see something like this overnight. So price will come down. Oh, wrong tool. Where's the path? Path. Boom. So we can see something like this. Bang. Reject, go off, and maybe break. We don't know that, but we have to wait and see for price to let us know what is happening. And maybe we can see something like this. Break, retest of this 4-hour, continuation to the downside. So there is two possible outcome for this pound yen. That is exactly what we're doing. Actually, if you want to put another one, we have something like this, where price could stop here, break, retest, and then go to my next zone. Boom. There is my 3 outcomes. This is why always trade what you see, not what you think. So I basically program my mind to, okay, if price does this, this is what I'm going to do. If price does that, this is exactly what I'm going to do. I don't sit here and be like, I'm only going to buy, right? Why would I do that? If price is selling, why am I only trying to buy? I'm trying to go with the trend. I'm trying to go with the price. If price is dropping, I'm selling. If price is buying, I'm buying. So whatever price tells me to do, I'm going to do it. If price comes down, breaks, retest, I'm selling. If price breaks, if price support holds and it starts going up, I'm buying. Why would I be biased, you know? But obviously, it's always important to know what's happening on the higher time frame. So on the higher time frame, we are very, very bearish, right? However, you can see, for those of you who trade patterns, someone tells me what this pattern is, please. For those of you who trades patterns and shapes and stuff like this, tell me, what is this? Guys, for those of you that know, what is this? What does this pattern mean? What does this pattern mean? Any of you know? Descending wedge, exactly. It's exactly that. So, with descending wedges, there's a higher probability outcome than the other, right? So if price is doing this, bang, boom, coming down, rejecting, coming up, rejecting, coming down, rejecting, coming up, maybe rejecting, maybe gonna come down for another time, but then eventually it's gonna break, it's gonna retest and continue from there, right? This is something that is very, very possible, but this is a 4-hour and a long-term trade. I'm a day trader. I'm not a swing trader. If you're a swing trader, yeah, maybe that's something you'd look at. But for me, as a day trader who's trying to hold a trade for max a few hours, I'm looking at the 1 hour after I analyze my higher time frame, of course. And on the higher time frame, and I can see we are on a resistance, boom, I'll take a sell, I'll take 50 pips and move on with my day. Because if you took a sell from this resistance, now you basically 14, 15 pips in profit on a standard, that's $150. Like, see how crazy this is? And I can also be taking trades and holding it if it breaks through and then maybe rejecting. So it's all subjective. It's all what you personally like. You know, what your personality is. Are you a swing trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalper? Scalper would probably be looking at the 5 minutes and be like, "Alright, cool. I'm gonna wait for a break of structure. Boom, break of structure happened. Retest. Boom, boom. 20 pips, 10 pips. I'm done. I'm out. I'm done for the day. I'm going to sleep." So yeah. So this is it for pound yen. I hope this was clear. If it was, please let me know in the dropper one if you guys understood everything and what's happening here. I try to make it as simple as possible. I don't want to confuse anyone. So that is what's happening with pound yen. We broke down a lot of pairs, guys. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very helpful. I'm glad I'm able to help. It makes me happy to know that I'm able to help a lot of you out, guys. We broke down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs, and we actually caught a absolute banger of a trade on BTC USD. We initially had a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Then price dropped in our favor. Then we removed the 1% risk. So now we have 3% profit. No risk involved because we moved our stop loss to break even. And then we added another position on this pullback that gave us another 1 to 4 with 1% risk. So we have 1% risk, but now we have a 7% take profit. So we didn't just double, we made more than double basically. I hope that was helpful. If you guys want to see this live breaking down, just go back in the live and you'll see me breaking it down and calling out this trade. And I even sent it to my free Telegram, guys, right here. There's the before, there's the after, and here's the results. And yet still dropping. Anyway, it's 2 a.m. my time. I have to wake up at 7 for London session. If you guys want to see a live stream for London session, please let me know by leaving a like on that video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And join the free Telegram group. There's always, I always send random trades. I always send random profits, random stuff on the free Telegram. Talk to me there. And if you are interested and you're a serious trader, join the Discord. I'm trying to build a massive community full of traders who wants to be better. It's in the description, guys. All the links you're looking for in the description. So here's what I'm gonna do. Let me get you guys all the links. Just give me a second. I'm gonna drop them in the chats. So this will be the Discord. Copy, and I'm gonna drop it in the chats. Oh, thanks, whoever dropped that. So there's my Discord. That is my Discord to join. Oh, hold on, hold up. Boom. I'm just copying the link, guys. I will drop it now. Copy and paste. Live chat. Boom. Right there. There is the Discord, guys. The Discord link. And then here is the free Telegram, which I will now send you another copy. Copy, and then boom. There we go. There is the 2 links: free Telegram, serious traders only for Discord, where you can take signals. You will be able to take live trade with me. Always talk to me, talk to other traders in there, and a whole bunch of insane stuff, psychology, everything that you need to know about the trading and how to become profitable. And we're doing it live, brother. We're doing it live, guys. With that being said, I hope you all have an amazing rest of your days. If it's day by you, have an amazing night. If it's night by you, I'm off to sleep, really tired. Bang of a trade. GJ didn't really give us anything, but we were able to maximize on BTC, which made up for it. So yeah, we broke down a few pairs. Come back again tomorrow, same time-ish, around 11ish London time. Appreciate y'all. Take care.